Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2024 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS. Now before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe down below for more content, and let's jump right in. All right, so first things first, we'll start off under the hood. What you have here is a 6.2 liter V8. That's going to give you 455 horsepower, 455 pound-feet of torque. Also, you'll notice under this one, we have this front sway bar for added stability. But what we'll do now is start it up and see how it sounds. To the front end, first thing we'll notice is we have these LED headlights up here with your turn signals, as you can see there. Across we got a black grille with a black Chevrolet bow tie, SS badging right here, and we also have a body colored front lip. You also do have these lights down here as well, but very nice front appearance. Moving up to the hood, we have these aggressive hood lines with a hood vent up here for that 6.2 liter V8. All right, so moving to the side, first thing we'll notice is we have these beautiful black 20-inch wheels. So these are 245 30/20s up front, wrapped in Goodyear Eagle F1 tires. We also do have a staggered set in the back. So in the back here, they're still 20 inches. These are 275 35/20s, wrapped in the same tires. So we have the Goodyear Eagle F1s, SS badging right here in the middle. This one also does have the Brembo performance brakes. Also, we have our gas fill up on this side. So it's a capless gas fill system. So no need to twist off a cap or anything like that, and it only takes 93 octane. Also on the side, you'll notice we have these black window surrounds. We also do have the keyless entry, so with the key in your pocket, you can lock or unlock the vehicle by pressing that button, which is super convenient. Camaro badging on the side as well. This one's also finished in the shark skin metallic paint, so it's an absolutely beautiful color. All right, so moving to the back, we have our tail lights right here. Very beautiful finish on these. You also do have your turn signals, as you can see right there. Black Chevrolet bow tie. We also do have a low profile spoiler. We have our circles in the bumper for your back parking sensors, and you can also see your backup camera down there. If you want to open up this trunk, there's a button right here that you press. So if you press that, the trunk will open up, and there's all the space you have inside. So this one has some extras inside of it. No spare tire or anything like that, but pretty good storage space for a performance vehicle. Also moving back, we have our quad exhaust tip, so we can hear that 6.2 liter V8, and we have black plastic underneath as well. All right, so moving to the driver's side, everything is exactly the same, except you have your fuel fill up on the other side. But moving inside the vehicle, if we go ahead and open up the door, first thing you'll notice is we have this leather finish up here with white stitching. We also do kind of have this aluminum plastic going around the sides. We also do have ambient lighting inside this vehicle, so you can set the color of whatever you want this light to be. We also have our door handles, we have our lock and unlock button, and we have our memory seats with 2 different settings and an exit setting as well. We can adjust our left or right mirror and move those up, down, left and right. And we have fully automatic windows on the driver and passenger side. Got a little storage pocket right here, little storage pocket right there, suede kneecaps right there. You can also open up the trunk by pressing that button. So that'll open up the trunk and you can just walk back to it, open it up, do whatever you need to do, and then close it back. Also, we do have Bose audio, as you can see there. And we also do have the Recaro seats in this vehicle. So leather on the sides, we have suede down the middle. It is a fully power driver seat, and we do have red seat belts as well. But let's go ahead and take a look inside. All right, so for the back seats, we have leather seating surfaces with red seat belts back there as well. You also have a wireless phone charging pad right there in the middle for all of your passengers. But let's go ahead and hop back there and see how much space we have. All right, so here I am sitting in the back seats. I'm about 6 foot tall on a good day. You'll notice I have absolutely no headroom. I have no leg room either, so full-size adults definitely can't fit back here. Probably only small children or teenagers and stuff like that. Not very comfortable back here whatsoever, but let's move up to the front. All right, so up front, we have our suede wrap steering wheel. Also, we do have our driver's side AC vent, as you can see there. We have 2 vents in the middle, and we have 1 for the passenger. On the steering wheel, we're going to have all of our cruise control buttons. We have a heated steering wheel, forward collision. We also have our downshift and upshift paddles, since this does have the automatic transmission. You can also scroll through your center menu right there, go up, left, right, and down, and hit enter. hands-free voice commands, call dropping. You can also scroll through your favorites and turn your volume up and down. This vehicle does have heads-up display, so you can move the heads-up display up, down, change the information, and turn the brightness up or down as well. You can also adjust the brightness of your middle screen right there by pushing this button and then turning it to the left or right. You have automatic light controls. You also do have your windshield wiper controls right here as well. Moving to the center, you do have your shifter right here, so if I start it up, you can go in reverse, which will show your backup camera on the screen. You can go in neutral and drive, plus you can flip it over to the left to upshift or downshift with a shifter or with the paddles back here. But let's go ahead and put it back in park. You also do have a few different drive modes in this vehicle. So you have Tour, Sport, Track, and Snow and Ice. You also do have your traction control, electronic parking brake, 2 cup holders right here in the middle, and a center console with a phone charger inside there. We have heated and cooled seats on the driver and passenger side. You can also adjust your driver's side temperature, as you see there. And it does have dual zone climate, so the passenger side can be different from the driver's side. You also do have your infotainment system right here in the middle. There's a few apps on here that I do want to point out. So you have your audio, phone, built-in navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, user settings, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also do have hands-free Bluetooth and Sirius XM radio as well. Let's go ahead and cut it off. We do have our rear view mirror, makeup mirror on both sides, OnStar buttons up there in the middle, and we do have 2 map lights. We also do have our glove box with a little bit of storage space, but the passenger side door is pretty much exactly the same as the driver's side door. I really do like these seats a lot. They do hug you very nice and tight. But that's pretty much it for the inside. Let's take a look at the outside. All right, so we'll take one last look at the outside of the 2024 Chevrolet Camaro SS. This is the very last year of this model, so this is the last time you'll be able to buy a naturally aspirated V8 muscle car from Chevrolet. They don't have anything planned for the future, but we'll just have to wait and see what else they come out with. Probably something electric, but we'll only know in the future. Also, make sure you guys let me know your thoughts down in the comments down below. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the window sticker. So, this is the 2024 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS Coupe. Shark skin metallic with the jet black interior. 6.2 liter V8 with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Base price of this vehicle is $47,300, but this one has all of these options on it, so total price comes out to $64,345. Here's all the safety ratings on this vehicle, and with gas mileage, we're gonna get 16 city, 26 highway, and 20 miles per gallon combined. But here's the whole window sticker if you want to pause the video and take a look at it. But that's pretty much it for this vehicle. So definitely let me know your thoughts down in the comments down below. And if you're still here, make sure you leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe down below for more car content. You're also going to see some more videos here in the corners. So if you see anything you like, make sure to click on that and check it out as well. But that's it for now, and I'll see you guys next time.